this is Redstone, and welcome back to Stampy Seed Survival. In this video, I'm gonna be joined by Danny is the Bomb,
Danny Yeet,
Brassy
and
Friend, and Ian. Just Ian.
Ian. So yeah, Ian and Brassy Friend, they won the competition, the parkour competition in the realm. So if you want to join like they did, you have to join the realm and join the Discord. So yeah, join the Discord in the description and type in !realm and you can be lucky like these boys and help us. So yeah, today we are going to be working on the underground storage room thing area with the cobblestone room and stuff. So yeah. I need another pickaxe, so you know.
So that's
you go head down there. Yeah, we'll have some digging, but it's okay. So you guys head down there. I'm gonna go get myself a pickaxe.
Okay.
Need.
I'm gonna need a new pickaxe soon.
Okay, I'll make it on. I will find out exactly how low it has to be. So yeah, love it.
So guys, you hear a difference in quality in my microphone? Just saying.
Here's two epic pickaxes right there. But yeah, Redstone is moving up in the world. He's getting epic sound preventers. He's getting epic microphone. He's getting epic chair. Let me go find out exactly how deep we have to dig this.
To floor level.
You have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
We got 4 pickaxes working here. It's epic.
Well,
not Danny. Danny's just.
I'm typing in chat. Gotta go down 8, boys.
Okay.
Yeah, this is fine, actually.
Shovel time.
Pickaxe mining crew gang. We're doing good, boys. Oh yeah, forgot to say, what do you call it? I can't think. The question of the day thing, I will go over that, like, a bit more at the end of the video. But, most people didn't really know what it was and didn't really answer it, so I will make sure to make it more clear in the end of the video, and I'll put, like, a comment and make it more clear.
I need a shovel, unless you want to dig that.
Check out. I have a shovel.
Ain't it epic when you have Stampy Seed, knowing how much he had to dig? And what he had to dig? Like these random dirt bits over here, it's so epic knowing that. Like, how could you know?
You guys probably won't see all of this epic mining. You may not even hear me saying this, but you know, you'll get the best parts, because everyone loves the best parts. We could probably finish like the walls and patterns. Oh my gosh! I thought that was an actual creeper. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Creeper. Oh, right there.
So we back in the mine,
it looks really close to it because it's got norms.
Back-to-back digging episodes. Who doesn't love that? I can't wait for the epic slime farm project.
No. We don't.
Yes.
We don't talk about that around here.
Mining away. Mining cobblestone.
Mining away.
I don't know.
In this Minecraft thing. Mine stone block. So far I've got 1 billion more.
So far I have 12 stone blocks.
Stop scaring me, Brassy. Are we there yet?
This one needs to go out. This one has to go out 1 more.
Pickaxe gonna break. I can't reach that. Someone's gonna need to place a block to get higher to reach that.
Typing in chat in the Minecraft world.
Oh god! Danny?
What happened? Epic pickaxes has been activated. Here's an epic pickaxe. Here's an epic pickaxe.
Bro, you saw
He
mine.
took both of them. Oh, there you go. Epic pickaxe.
You're just in time. Mine broke.
He must. How does he have reached that far? He must be on like talking to.
Yeah, they just like press any block with their finger and it works.
I know. I like when I play on my phone. It was like I could reach 8 million blocks, and I was like, oh wow, sure. It's like so epic.
Oh my god, I'm so tired.
We're gonna have to mine like this epic wall too. This outside epic. Actually, no, we're not.
In a day or two.
I remember I started to mine this wall, and I was like, I'm mining over here, but like I wasn't talking because audio died. This is why I was doing. I said, do it now.
Creeper. Oh man.
I didn't give you another
Slowly
pick.
back in the mine, got
Here,
up
take
pick
that one,
and
take that
swinging from side to side, side to side. This task a grueling one. Hope to find some diamonds tonight, night. Diamonds tonight. Heads up, you hear a sound. Turn around and look up. Total shock fills your body. What is that? Danny, what is that weird thing behind you?
I drowned. What the heck? I won't question it. It's a bird. It's a plane. Oh, it's neither.
No, it's Brassy.
Oh, it's Brassy Friends. It's a bird. It's an owl. It's neat. Epic Digging Crew did pretty good.
Still got more blocks at the last level.
I know, we did good though, Epic Digging Crew. Here, if anyone wants my free Epic Cobblestone, take it. I would gladly like to donate it. Now, I'm gonna like go outside. This is a joke. It's freaking double stacked. Whose idea was it to double stack it?
What are you talking about?
It's the thing is double stacked. So we're gonna need to build an outside wall and an inside wall.
Let's just like put junk in there.
We just grab some stairs because there's like some epic stairs. Stairs. Oh, I need. Nope. Stairs. Word of the day. Stairs. So there's a strip of wood.
Does the wood go on that block up there, or does it go right there?
It just goes. It goes like this, and it's just like we'll have to do the. We'll do that area later, but I'm just gonna. Yeah, just take it down to there, and then we'll break out this wall and fix this when we do this little area. But for now, that's good. Up there, we're gonna need the row of sandstone. So let me do that. So now that we have that, that's good. This path will come like all the way down. That's good. It goes out, I think 4 past it. 2, 3, 4. And here comes Brassy Friends back at it again. Yeah, you could. It goes all the way down, but just stop it in line with this for now. Then I'll fill it all. The end. Yeah, and the end has that wood stripe. Then That's like that, yeah. And Brassy Friend's just stuck in there. Very interesting scene. Then, let's just do the sandstone stripe. Well, we could put in the door engraved later.
Yeetus.
Yeetus. Yeetus the water. We're just gonna, you know... Okay, I have a little more sandstone. You have sandstone, right? Look, I have ballistic squids just chilling down there. How are you, my guy? What's the chance that our lily pads will face the right way? What's the chance? Like, honestly. The chance our lily pads face the right way. It's like 2%. This area is starting to look very nice.
The chance is always big because everything faces the right direction.
In the sea? Wait, it does?
Yeah. Depending on your coordinates.
Serious? Okay. We have to extend out this. Yeah, I'll have to extend that out. This one. What the heck? So I need some slab. I feel like you making a crafting table isn't like
Yay, look at that.
and then it goes out a total of 3 on each side of that. So there's not one there. And it goes out 3.
Hey Danny, remember when you said something to me? This is not a tutorial.
Excuse me! I am talking to myself because I'm incapable of understanding.
Exactly, that's
Okay.
what I did and you got mad at me.
Okay, well, I feel your pain now. At least I'm not saying, oh, well, I am saying, okay, so what am I talking about? Okay, so... Place 17 blocks of diamonds here. 95 million blocks of quartz here. And a squid here. And a brassy friend here. The brassy friend is required to be accurate. Accurate is such a more fun word than and an accurate. Isn't it?
No.
What, you'd rather say accurate than accurate?
Yes.
That's lame. Like, that's so much accurateness. Whoop, whoop. Yeah. Accurate. This crew is very much useful. I am a big fan of the progress. And then brassy friends just like, you know, chilling, changing his skin. Eat.
As I die.
You just died? Rip. Wow. I just turned around and I saw an entire wall. Like, dang. Like, dang.
Imagine being that unaware.
Cool. I'm working hard. I'm grinding. So now we have this, and then we have the little shape, and we can finish off that later. And fun. And then we have... Whoa. Whoa. How the heck did you know that the door goes there? You're such a wizard.
Not me. But I do know it goes there. It's always on the
Wait.
very edge.
Dang! There's 2 wizards here?
Yep.
How come I'm incapable of being a wizard?
What do you mean?
I
You're
wanna
wizard
be a
when it
wizard.
comes to Funland.
No, I'm not. I'm not a wizard. I can't do it off memory. I can do it off pictures.
Needs more sandstone.
I know.
Oof, 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 oof,
Oof, oof, oof.
oof,
Oof.
oof,
You need. Okay.
Bye.
Just saying. Somewhere. Oof, 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 oof has to come into play. That will be in eventually. I'm about to make another crafting table. No, my guy. What are you doing, my guy? It is one.
Yee.
Bruh.
This is a mine. If you mine that dirt, it's a mine. I just had to push
Zombie.
back up. We need a lot more sandstone, Danny.
Well, this isn't something we'll probably finish in there. Because I guess this will kind of be the first part of this, and then the second part we'll have to make some cobblestone. That's it. Cobblestone and dirt roofs. I fell in a hole!
Oh.
What the heck? That was a stupid hole and I just fell in it. Yeah, but next we have to have the cobble yeet and dirt rooms. That's cool. So excited. Dirt room and the cobblestone room and dirt room, like my favorite rooms.
Hey, where's the first log go so I can place it? Does it go here?
Well, the block behind the door over here is bruh. Rip Brassy friends. Oof, 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 oof.
Well, that's gonna be the end of this episode, guys.
Yeah, we're gonna have to call it here. This is much epic. Look at this trooper still working. Oh, yeah. Shout out to Ian for the help very much, and also shout out to Brassy Friends who died again over there. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, hit the bell, crush the bell, and join the Discord.
Crush the bell.
Thank
Can
you.
we say
What else?
that? That should be our thing.
Crush the bell. Thank you for this, and yeah, we'll see ya in everyone. Not that no one actually.
Outro screeny, guys. Outro screeny.
Bye.
Well, the other guy doesn't know, so.
You got it. Goodbye.